Hello, I'm Christy, and today I'm going to show you how Cisco Unified Communications Manager, release 12.5, makes it easy for end users to install their own Cisco IP phone at home. So, I have just received this brand new Cisco IP phone 8865, which I ordered through my standard ordering process. What isn't standard is that my IT person who fulfilled the order just assigned me a phone model, grabbed a phone off the shelf, and mailed it directly to my home address without having to configure a MAC address. Any 8865 phone will do. After I placed my phone order and my phone was added into the system, my phone system generated a unique secure activation code. And my IT person sent me an email with my 16-digit activation code. Since my phone is video enabled, I just have to scan the QR code using the phone's video camera. So while my phone is booting up, I will locate my QR code. Or I can go to my UC Self-Care portal and find the QR code and activation code there. Now that my phone has finished its boot sequence, it asks me to enter my activation code. I'm going to use the QR code that was included in the box with my phone. Now if you didn't receive a paper QR code, you can just open the email on your smartphone and get the QR code up on your screen. Now, just hold the QR code centered in front of the QR reader screen on your phone, and phone will begin registration. And now, my phone is ready to use. It's that easy. You order your phone based on company policy. IT approves and configures your phone and ships the model ordered to the employee's address. The employee receives the phone, opens the box, connects the handset, and connects the phone to their high-speed internet connection. They enter their activation or QR code from my email, and they have a fully functional business phone at home, or any place really. The phone is completely secure and authenticated. It really is that simple.